Well, a good hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it is 71 degrees right now, and we are under a hard freeze warning for the weekend. Imagine that. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, Dan, where you been? Give me a second. We finna bump some gums about it. Dan, Lord of mercy, where you been? I'm here to tell you, over the past weekend, it was something else over here at the home in the sticks. The storms were just unbelievable. But the odd thing was we wasn't predicted to get any rain during the morning hours, say up to noon. So I found my way to the local feed store on Saturday, purchased about 350 pounds of feed, and guess what? The bottom fell out. So I ended up having to put 350 pounds of feed in the cab of my truck. Saved the feed. We also purchased some hay. Thank the good Lord that the hay didn't get wet, because it is so expensive over here in East Central Mississippi right now. And the hits keep coming. I also lost my internet service over here at the home in the sticks probably for about 6 days. See that box up there? That little metal box that runs on that line and it goes all the way out yonder to the street. Guess what? That is the line that goes into my shop for the cable internet. Evidently Saturday night, maybe Sunday morning, I don't know, might have had some lightning that actually hit the line and fried that little box or component up there. So I had to get the cable guys to come out to look at it. I actually thought it was just my router that maybe went out, and I did some tests on that. It was still good to go. Called a few friends that live in town, asked them about their internet service. Yeah, it's still working. Guess what? Mine went out. And we are back in business. When it rains, it pours sometimes, I'm here to tell you. I also wanted to show everybody last week how the hydroponic lettuce is growing. So let's go in the shop and I'm gonna show you that right quick. Take a look at the hydroponic lettuce, and I'm here to tell you it's sure enough growing. DWC Cracky, I'm here to say I think the Cracky lettuce is growing a lot better. Don't know why. I still believe it's the height of the light. That's just my assumption, I don't know. But hydroponic lettuce is growing. It's gonna be time to start harvesting this stuff, and I can't wait. Here's a hydroponic bok choy, and it is growing really good too. Getting a little bit of size on them. Here's the arrow garden. A couple of videos back, I actually planted out two kinds of parsley, some chives, some dill, and some basil. So what I did was, just to experiment with some things, I actually planted out some pepper seeds. I have two here, and two there. I got some cherry peters, some lemon drops, and some chiltepins. So it's going to be pretty cool to see if I can get these peppers to actually sprout and grow in this arrow garden. I think they will, but we'll just have to see. Because I'm here to tell you, it is, for me, it is now is the time for me to start getting my peppers seeded up, or try to get my peppers germinated. What I'm still going to do is I'm going to plant some in some grow bags, and I also have plans on doing some peppers hydroponically. I believe next video I'm going to share something that I purchased for my actual seeds. I'm doing a little bit different this time, and I'm gonna keep a little bit, I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention to the actual temperature of the heat mat and everything that's going on inside of the propagation tray to try to get the seeds germinated. So be looking for that video, because I'm pretty excited about that. Well, there you have it. I wanted to bring everybody up to speed as to what was going on with old Dan over here at the home in the sticks. Lord of mercy, I was fit to be tied, I'm here to tell you, especially with the cable internet. Because when I lose internet service over here, I lose everything. Good thing is I am back up and running, and everything is good to go. Get back to sharing what I do over here with you and y'all. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Wednesday, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homestead channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff and losing internet. With that being said, you know it's coming, Dan Referee, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, be you. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.